Today we're at a place called Binjai Park and a restaurant called Ivins, which is a Peranakan restaurant. So what is Peranakan and what's Peranakan food like? Let's go and have a look. You want any more? Ayam Buah Keluak, which is this dish. It's a Peranakan dish. Peranakan means a mix of Chinese influences with Southeast Asian. So it's a lot of mix of spices and citrus tastes as well. It's made of chicken. But what's interesting is this nut here, which is the Buah Keluak nut, which comes from a tree from mangrove swamps of Indonesia. And the actual raw nut is poisonous, so it has to be fermented and gets boiled and prepared. And the inside is taken out, mixed with spices and chicken, and then shoved back inside. And it's very, very delicious. It's got a very rich, aromatic taste. It's hard to describe, but it's very tasty. A mix of chicken and spices and tamarind, lime, and some of the coconut curry. So the curry is like a rich coconut, spicy curry, and the inside of the nut, it almost tastes like Marmite or Vegemite. It's kind of very strong, almost authentic taste. Very soft. Melt in your mouth. Durian chendol. Chendol is a very popular dessert here, and this one is made with durian fruit, which is famous for its taste and for its very pungent smell. But this one smells fine. How does it taste? It's like a kind of fruity custard, slightly cheesy custard with some fruit taste. But very nice. Green, it looks like green jelly, right? And beans, red beans. So it's like a sweet dessert with a big lump of ice at the bottom. Pretty cool. If you like this channel, please like us, leave a comment and subscribe.